What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make instant commissions with this done for you system that allows you to get paid daily. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make some daily cash. So guys, I'm about to log into my back office, and when you become a member of $25 1UP, you will have access to this system. You will have access to this back office. You will be able to see your daily referrals, the total contacts inside the system, the number of emails of the done for you autoresponder that's inside the system that is promoting your business on autopilot for you. Okay, and you also can see how many people have viewed one of your pages, your sale pages, or So what I want to talk about mainly is what this system does. Okay, I'm gonna go over a few things, but I just want to talk about the system so people could really get a concept of what it is. All right, so if you could take a look here on the screen, you can see the gold product, the platinum product, the diamond product, the enterprise, and the elite. Each of these levels have multiple digital products inside of these levels, and it allows you to earn as well. Okay, so what is the product? That's one of the main questions a lot of people may have about this system. And the product is the marketing tools, it is the course, the training. Okay, this system itself is the product. All right, so the system itself really is the product, because if you think about it, this system is a training, this system is a resource tool, this system is also a business opportunity. So it's everything inside of one that you could use. You might not want to make money with this system, but you could purchase a certain level and use the training and the copy and paste ads or whatever you want for another business. So once again, the product itself is the done for you system. That's the product. But in each level, you have additional products that you could sell and earn 100% commission off of each product. Okay, so at the gold level, you earn $25 commissions. At the platinum level, you earn $100 commissions. At the diamond level, you earn $250 commissions. Enterprise, $500 commissions, and elite, $1,000 commissions. Now, if you are looking at this video right now and you're saying to yourself, you don't know nobody that will buy this system for $1,000, I guarantee you, if you come in at any of these levels, somebody else will buy the level that you come in at. That's just how it goes. That's how the universe works. If you come in at a level, you believe in your level, you go through the training, you learn and practice everything inside of it, somebody else will want that level as well. So what I want to do is come down. What I want to do is just show you with the platinum level. Okay, you earn $100 commissions with this platinum level, and YouTube is one of my favorite traffic sources because it's free and you can get a lot of eyes to your videos. Okay, you can get a lot of eyes to your videos, and what $25 1UP has done is came up with a YouTube training that is very powerful. Okay, most people don't really understand what YouTube is, how to get the algorithm, how to get subscribers, how to get more views. In this system, you have multiple videos. Look at this. You have so many YouTube training videos that comes with this level. Okay, I'm not going to go through everything because you'll become a part of the team to get this training, but I just want to show you what type of value this system holds. Okay, Instagram. Now that's my favorite social media platform to use. I use it every single day. I love to promote. I post motivational things on Instagram, and I also run ads on Instagram. But here, look at this. You have Instagram training. Okay, Instagram training. You might not know how to work Instagram as well, but you always wanted to. Instagram is, to me, Instagram is way more powerful than Facebook in some aspects, because people could go directly to your profile and see all of your pictures without having to scroll all the way down to January or to December. They could literally see all of your posts, what type of content or what type of person you are, and you could build a faster know, like, and trust with Instagram. But once again, here is some really good training, Facebook training. There's a lot of people that love Facebook. That love Facebook. I use Facebook as well. I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I do. All of this is free traffic, okay? So coming in as a beginner, you want to know how to master your business with free traffic. Of course, paid traffic like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, solo ads, Craigslist ads will get you faster results. But if you're somebody that's new, or if you're somebody that's on a budget, this could really be effective to your business. This could really help you skyrocket your sales for free. Okay, you on how you want to run your traffic, but $25 one up give you the tools, show you the training, give you steps to apply to your business, and you will see results. It's so many testimonials out here, guys, of people getting paid. Okay, I have roughly 7 months to go in 2020. We're gonna crush it. I have a new member that joined me yesterday, guys, and they already have 2 sales in less than 24 hours. I'm really happy, that other people can make money and it's not just me. You could be the next person. Information will be below, guys. If you want to check it out, it will be below. This is just a portion, guys. This is just a portion of what comes in this system. And if you look at the length of these videos, I know you like training, courses, but these are short videos that give you steps. Okay, it's not like the traditional courses or traditional training that you're thinking about. It's actually steps that you should take, that you should apply, that you should practice, and you could see results. So you also have a members testimonial page. If you haven't made no sales yet, if you're brand new, you could use this as leverage, because people are going to ask for proof. Use all of these people's commissions and pictures for proof that other people are making money. You don't want to be talking about yourself all the time. You want to make sure that you're using leverage, which is this. We also have a Facebook group, but what I want to do really quickly is show you how simple it is on Facebook. Here I am actually. Okay, so here is a Facebook group. You can join different Facebook groups. This one is work from home business opportunities. And if you check this out, I posted this system generate easy cash, post ads that converts 25 to 500 per day. Ask me how, and I posted my results here, and boom, I have somebody that commented how. Okay, now let me check my notifications. All right, and so what I did was run an ad with Facebook. What I want to do is show you how powerful it is, and it's still actually running right now. It's not over with. And I use this post right here, and I asked them to send me a message. Look at this. Look how many people my posts have reached and how many engagements I got. Okay, I actually have more today. I actually have more, and it is in 24 hours. 12 comments, and I have 11 inbox messages from this one post, and I haven't even spent over $20, guys. I only set this for $15 for the week, and it's been going, and look how many people it has reached. You could use this method as well, but it's totally up to you on your budget and how you want to run your business. I just share with you everything that I do, and it works for me. So if you like this content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, click that bell. Other than that, I'm out.